Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Norton and we've been looking around the shelves again here in the warehouse and seeing what we've got back in stock for you to work on this weekend. So let's take a look. Okay, first thing this week is part number 067097, the cylinder head fastenings kit for the 750 and 850, and that is £67 and 14 pence including VAT. The swing arm Welsh plug set for the Commandos from 1975 to 1978, part number 131895, is £15 and 54 pence including VAT. The tail lamp fairing for the S-Type in silver, part number 061122/S, is £111 and 17 pence including VAT. And part number 060620/1, exhaust pipes for the 68 to 70 pair of Commandos, and the both level is £278 and 3 pence including VAT. And finally this week, part number 064025, the rear chain Elite 99 links for both the 20 and 21 tooth gearbox sprocket is £55 including VAT. And don't forget, as always, if there's anything that we don't have in stock, you can set yourself a reminder on the website. It's really easy to do, and there's a link in the section below to a video that will take you all the way through the process of setting up your own account and then also setting up an email reminder for when items come back in stock. If you can't do that, you can still get in touch with the technical team. The email's at the end of this video, or you can give us a call on the usual landline number. But until next time, thanks ever so much for watching and safe riding.